Hey Alexander, my name is Viola, and it was such a pleasure speaking with you yesterday. Thanks for taking the time out to share your opinions with me. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you three things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. And I want you to know I found that by giving people a free, easy attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, hey, I like you, Viola. Go ahead and please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you like what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with, go ahead and shoot me a message back and we could chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you for yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you three things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. All right, Google, you guys need to have at least 1,500 words in order to be optimized with Google. You guys have approximately 450 words. If you take a look at your competition, these guys right here, Atlanta Metro Roofing, let's go on their page here. As you can see, they have upwards of, still not 1,500, probably about 700 to 800 words, which is very beatable. Yet they are ranking above you on Google. I don't know if you know that they're one of your direct competitors. So every month, people on Google are searching for the keyword roofing in Alpharetta. If you take a look here, 250 times. This is Ahrefs. This site is called Ahrefs. This is a little tool that I use that I pay about $70 a month for that will show what your site is actually ranking for and what your site is dense with. It just helps me to monitor people's businesses better. Now, you could go ahead and get this yourself too. People are searching for this for 250 times per month. They're searching for roofing in Alpharetta. You guys, I have you in right there. This is your business, EGH Roofing, and you're not getting any of this traffic, which means that you are missing out on this. If you take a look at your direct competition, Atlanta Metro Roofing again, these guys are getting 93 of those 250 clicks that people are searching for roofing in roofing in Alpharetta. And that's bringing in about 842. But this traffic right here is very beatable because there's still a lot more clicks out there that we can get, and we can also take these. Now, the next thing I want to go over with you is probably the second most important thing I want to talk to you about, and we call this the Google Map Pack. So let's go back to Google over here. Let's go back to the home page. As you can see, I put in roofers in Alpharetta. The first thing you see right here are ads. Don't pay too much attention to the ads because studies show that ads are only semi-effective and can definitely be a money pit if ads aren't done correctly and are not effective, and you could end up wasting more money. Right here, what you see are the maps. This is what we call the map pack. So again, let's ignore the ad. I want to look at the organic businesses that are on the map pack. And as you know, when people go on Google, they usually don't go past page one. They select from the top page, the first page, whoever the top three are. They don't go past that. And you guys are somewhere upwards on page 7. So we definitely want to change that. And there are different ways to help with that. But what a citation is basically your business name, your address, and your phone number, and how many different directories across the internet that you are listed on, such as Angie's List or Yelp or City Star, Yext, White Book, Yellow Book. Even Facebook has an area where you can submit a citation. Now, the next thing I want to go over with you, and this is the third thing I want to cover, which is another important aspect to Google, and this is called backlinks. So I'm going to go back to Ahrefs here and take a look at your site. Okay, now backlinks are basically link juice. So I see you do have 78 backlinks, which is good, but let me show you where you want to be so you can beat out your competition in every aspect. See here, they have 467 backlinks. So a backlink is basically one site, site A pointing back at site B. Therefore, site A is acting like link juice. So, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes, almost kind of like a popularity contest. So, but there's a little bit more to it than that. Let's say, for example, because Google doesn't take every backlink equally, they're not all treated equally. So if there's a backlink pointing to you, I'll go back to your site here, that is relevant, such as, okay, home remodeling, Alpharetta, Georgia. So this site basically has your page on their site pointing at you. This is Google understands that this is more relevant than, let's say, if Pizza Hut was on here and Pizza Hut was pointing at you. That's not effective. So obviously, because you don't sling pizzas for a living. So, let's go back to the home page here. So as you can see, those links that I just pointed at were pointing at your site. But if you take a look right here, you see all the links that this site is using. And we could just go in and grab every link, connect every link, so that way it could give you a little bit more link juice. See, they have these sites working for them. So therefore, we could take every single one and go after them for your own site. All right. Now, once again, we went over content. Your front page needs at least 1,500 words on it. So probably we need some update on your website. We also need to deal with your citations, so that way you can move up on the Google map. All right, beating out your competition by a landslide is really what we want to do. And the last thing is, you need more relevant sites pointing at you to show Google that you guys are the authority. So we need more link juice. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be on the first page across Google. So, well, you can either take this information I provided to you today and do it on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save the time, you can give me a call at 404-345-2771. Once again, my name is Viola, and my phone number is 404-345-2771. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great one.